I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up SideQuest. To begin, you'll need to enable developer mode on your VR headset. Next, download and install the SideQuest application onto your computer. Finally, connect your headset to your computer with a USB cable. This process unlocks a world of new games and applications, enhancing your virtual reality experience significantly. Let's get started with the first step. Enabling developer mode is crucial for SideQuest functionality. First, open the companion app on your phone or tablet. From there, find and select your connected VR headset. Within its settings, locate the developer section and simply toggle developer mode to the on position. This step allows your computer to communicate with your headset for sideloading content. Remember to restart your headset after making this change. Now, let's get the SideQuest application installed on your computer. Visit the official SideQuest website and download the appropriate installer for your operating system. Once downloaded, run the executable file and follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. After successful installation, launch the SideQuest application. You're now just one step away from connecting your headset and exploring new content. With SideQuest installed, it's time to connect your headset. Use a USB cable to link your VR headset to your computer. Inside your headset, you'll see a prompt asking to allow USB debugging. Be sure to accept this. Once connected, the SideQuest application on your computer should indicate that your headset is recognized. You are now ready to explore the vast library of games and applications available through SideQuest. Enjoy your expanded VR experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.